Hello?
Hello, Ashna.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Okay. So, how was your week? How did you
I had a
do?
good week. I'm good. How are you? Everything good?
Okay. What was going on in your school?
Um, right now we were one second. The notebook isn't opening
Okay.
for my class on my computer. The Wi-Fi is a little bad here because there's a snowstorm.
Actually, all the loads our Wi-Fi has come after pandemic because all the things have been online. So I
Mm-hmm.
think lots of lots are there. There is congestion in the network. That's why here in Delhi also sometimes it does not work quite good.
Yeah. One
But we do not expect
iPad
uh,
because my
in
computer.
USA that Wi-Fi would not work properly. We think that everything should be quite good in USA. That is our
Yeah.
mentality. That I think means we think over here.
Mm, so we were factoring quadratic equations,
Yeah, we last class we did it,
and
and I
then
also
he
sent
was doing
some of
so.
the questions as well. I hope you did those questions.
Oh, sorry. I don't think my mom sent them to me.
Okay.
But last I missed my last math class because we had to drive to Samyadidi because she was coming back.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we were so it was on incomplete quadratics.
Incomplete quadratics. Okay.
1 second. Let me give me 1 second. Hi. Okay. Can you make me host so I can share my screen?
Yes, 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 yes.
Because I wasn't there, so
Okay.
I don't understand what he was doing.
Okay. Quadratic equation is an equation is the form. Okay, that's fine. That is the definition. Yes. And incomplete quadratic equation is when b equals to zero, or c equals to zero, or both b, c zero. This means one of the terms will be missing. Okay. So yes, 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 yes. Mhm.
So this is what he was teaching us. This is
Go
what he
down.
did.
Yes, 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 yes. Go down. Hmm. Yes, yes. Go down once again. I got it. So basically, in quadratic equation, we have three terms, right? That is of the form. Just a minute. So quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to zero,
Mm-hmm.
where a should not be equal to zero. Why? See, b and c can be zero, but a cannot be equal to zero because if a equals to zero, then that means it's not a quadratic equation, right? So and ABC are any constant. ABC are any constant. So if ABC are any constant, B and C can be 0, B can be 0, C can be 0. Okay, that is quite possible. Let us take an example. If we take x squared minus 16 equals to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we solve it, so we find that this is of the form x minus 4, x plus 4 equals to 0. We can factorize it like a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. So this will be x equals to minus 4 or 4. These are the two values that we will get of x, right? So here b is 0. Here b equals to 0. If we take another case, then we have x squared plus, let's take x squared plus 4 equals to 0. So we have 4x equals to 0. So here c equals to 0. So what we do, if we take common, then we have x plus 4 equals to 0, which means either x equals to 0 or x equals to minus 4. So these are the solutions. Okay. So terms missing means either b 0 or c 0 or both 0. If in case we have both both b equals to 0 and c equals to 0, then
Ax squared equals 0, but a can't equal 0. So then x squared equals
cannot
0.
be equals to 0, which implies x square equals to 0 implies x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 is the only solution of the given quadratic equation, right? Are there any other things as well? Can you once again share your screen? Can you once again share your screen
Mm-hmm.
and scroll down? Is there any other things?
No, it was just so like this problem.
Mhm. We already
So
do. We already did this type of question.
no,
Scroll
I
down.
know. So mm,
Okay. So the two sheets are there. Okay. Got it. So we have to
I'm
just
just a
find the
little.
missing.
Yeah, find the missing.
Okay. Let it go.
Because I have a test tomorrow.
And which next topic is going to be?
I don't know. I will email him. I'll ask him.
So suppose we have 4x square minus 16 equals to 0. So what we do, we write, we can solve here. Here b equals to 0. So we can solve like two ways. One is 2x whole square minus 4 square equals to 0. So we have 2x minus 4 and 2x plus 4 equals to 0, which gives 2x minus 4 equals to 0, or 2x plus 4 equals to 0, which gives x equals to 2, or x equals to minus 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So these two solutions are there. There is another approach. 4x squared minus 16 equals to 0 implies 4x squared equals to 16 implies x squared equals to 4 implies x equals to root over 4 equals to plus minus 2. Okay? 2 and minus 2. So this is another approach.
Okay, but then how do we write the missing?
Missing term is b. We already write it. Missing term is b. Missing term.
Wait.
B.
So can you write a problem for me, and then can I tell you which term is missing?
Yeah. Which term is missing? Obviously, B is missing. Okay. If we write x squared minus 5x equals to 0, which term is missing? Obviously, C is missing. Right. And how will you solve it? Simply, there are two approaches. Either you take by a square minus b square, or you can just take for this one you can just take common x. Yeah. Yes. Do it.
No.
No, x equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0, which gives there x equals to 5, not minus 5.
Yeah.
See, if a, b, 0, there are three questions arises that either a equals to 0, either a equals to 0, or b equals to 0, or both 0.
Okay. Yeah. So then for this one, what factor would you use?
You cannot use many things. See,
Wait, you can do 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5 equals 0. Then, wait, then what? Sorry, I'm blanking out a little bit.
So this will be what? 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to 2x equals to negative 5, and x equals to, yes, x equals to negative 5 upon 2.
Or x
And
equals
x
to
equals
5
to
over
5
2.
upon 2. So these two solutions will be there. Got it?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So these were quite easier side. Uh, any other thing that you would like to study with me today? Any other topic that is going to be
Um,
happened in your school that you haven't done, or anything that you did
what?
but no concept is clear?
1 second. 1 second.
So
So
x
then
equals to
x equals
0.
0 or x equals 6, right?
Yeah, x equals to 0 or x equals to 6. This will be
Negative
done.
6?
No, it's positive 6, not negative 6. X minus 6 equals to 0. So you have to add 6
Oh, yeah,
both sides.
6 minus 6
Yeah.
to cancel out. Okay. Oh, okay, I understand. So solve for x.
So you can do cross multiply.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You have to cross
You can
multiply.
do. Should be.
X squared plus 5x plus 6. Five x plus 4.
So then.
You have to do middle term splitting over here.
Oh, yeah. So then 4 is 4. So then 4 and 1. So then x squared plus 1x. No. Yeah.
Plus
Plus
4x.
4x plus 4. So
Yeah.
then x plus 1. 4x plus 1. So then
Yes.
x plus
Yeah.
4
You
and
left
x
a
plus 1.
you left plus sign between the two terms.
Then it would
Now it's
either
correct. So the
x
value of
plus
x comes
4
to
equals
minus
0,
negative 1,
x
negative
plus
4.
1 equals 0, minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, x equals negative 4, x equals negative 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Then oh, this is homework.
Okay. So
Okay.
you can do this sum.
1 second. What I'll do.
X squared negative 4x equals to
Okay,
5x.
wait. I'll do my work, then I'll erase it because there's not too much space, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Equals to
yeah.
0.
And then,
Take x common. X minus 9 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 9. X equals to negative 7 upon 2 and positive 7 upon 2. So you can take another approach as well. 4x square, if it is, okay, I'm not able to write over here. Okay, so 4x square equals to 49. So x square equals to 49 over 4, and x equals to root over 49 over 4. So this
Oh
will be
yeah.
plus
So
minus 7 by 2. So x equals to plus minus 7 of 2.
yeah. Uh-huh.
And here is also 4x square minus 28x equals to 0.
Yeah, so you can do 4 you have x squared equals, wait, no, do 4x. So we have x equals 7.
Yeah.
That was easy.
See, you are missing one solution. Quadratic means it will have two solutions. So why you are getting one solution is that you have just cancelled out the term. So this is not the proper method to do solve the quadratic equation. So what to do? We need to take 4x squared negative 28x equals to 0. Then take 4x common. Then x plus minus 7 equals to 0. Yeah, take 4x common, x minus 7 equals to 0. Now we have x equals to 0 and x equals to 7.
No.
X equals to 7. Yeah, that was correct.
Oh yeah, wait. Plus 7 plus 7.
So two answers are there. X equals to 0 and x equals to 7. These two answers are there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, what is 400 squared?
420
Oh,
square is,
200. I'm so
yeah,
stupid.
20 square is 400.
Yeah, 20. Sorry, yeah. So we have then wait.
So first of all, you have to see what you do. X square minus 16 equals to 48. So x square minus 54. No, 64. It will be 64.
Oh yeah.
5x square negative 40x equals to 0. Take 5x common. X minus 8 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 and x equals to 8.
Hmm.
Yes, you have to cross multiply. X equals to 0 and x equals to 14. Negative 3x, negative 40. Yeah. No, that won't be there. That won't be there, I think. Okay, 30 is there. Yes. 10 and 7. These are the two factors.
Wait. What?
10 and 7. These will be the two factors.
Hmm. I did something wrong.
Yeah, I think you did it wrongly. Should I make you understand?
Wait. Yeah.
Yes, no. Can I write over here? I don't think so. You have to provide me a note.
Okay. X plus 5
You can provide me
over.
a note.
Hmm.
You need to provide me a note to write over here in this area.
How do I do that?
Okay. Then just do that. What was the question? It was x.
X plus 5
Yeah.
over 3 equals 10 over x minus 8.
So cross multiplying cross multiplying, we have x plus 5. And here it is 10 over x minus 5. Is it?
Mm-hmm. Wait. No, x minus 8.
8. Okay. Equals to 10 into 3. So we have x squared negative 8x, negative 8x, negative 8x, positive 5x, negative 40 equals to 30. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 70 equals to 0. 10 and 7, these two factors are there. X squared negative 10x positive 7x minus 70 equals to 0. We have taken x common, x minus 10 plus 7 x minus 10 equals to 0. So now x minus 10 and x plus 7 equals to 0. So x equals to 10 or x equals to negative
Negative
7.
7.
This will be the answer. Okay?
1 second. I need to write that. So x squared minus 3x minus 40 equals 30. Minus 30 minus 30. X squared minus 3x minus 70 equals 0. X squared plus, no, minus 10x minus 7x equals, no, wait. Minus 70 equals 0. Then x minus 10 plus 7 x minus 10, no, minus minus 7, so then we have x minus 7 x minus 10.
Are you writing somewhere? Your screen is not set.
Yeah, no, yeah, 1 second. I'm just writing the work down. Okay. Alright. Alright. This one.
Yeah.
Am I doing this right?
No, you are not doing it right.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think I was. Okay. So 4 minus x, 4 plus x, 16, negative 4x, positive 4x. These cross out. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Right? So
Yeah.
then
16 minus x squared
16,
equals to 2x squared.
so 2x squared.
Bring
Then,
all terms together. So 3x squared minus 16 equals to 0.
oh, wait. Hmm. Okay. Then we have
3x squared minus 16 equals to 0.
yeah. Then
Either you take the terms like a plus b into a minus b, or you can do the other way as well. So, if you, yeah, so x squared equals to 16 over 3, x equals to plus minus root over plus minus, yeah, 4 upon root 3, root 3, root over 3, plus minus. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to plus 4x plus x. Yeah, take x common. X equals to -1, -4. Yeah, that's correct. You did it.
thank you.
I think you did it.
Yeah, I think so.
Should I give more questions to you?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. So let's do. So what are the basic methods to solving a quadratic equation? Basically, we have three basic methods. We have three basic methods to solve a quadratic equation. Three basic to solve quadratic uh, quadratic equation. What are those methods? First one is factoring. We factorize and then solve, right? Second one, we use quadratic formula, using quadratic formula. Are you aware of that? No.
Mm, maybe.
No, because you will be studying in class 9
Oh.
using quadratic formula. However, I'll make you understand what is quadratic formula. And third one is completing the square method. By completing the square method. So last two, I think you are not aware of last two. Completing the square method. I'll just make you understand how to solve a quadratic equation with these three methods. So in factorizing, what we do to solve a quadratic equation by factoring, first one is factoring. What we do, we put all terms on one side of the equal sign, leaving zero on the other side, right? And then we try to find the factor and set each factor equal to zero that we earlier already we have done earlier, and solve each of the equations to find x. Let us take an example. X square minus 6x negative 6x equals to 16. So first of all, what we will do, we will take all the terms together at one side. Got it? So x square negative 6x negative 16 equals to 0. Now the second thing is we have to find a factor for the middle term so that we can factor of not middle term, the multiplication, the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is 16.
Middle split.
Okay, so it will be x square negative 8x positive 2x minus 16 equals to 0. So we have x square. So x taken common, x minus 8 plus 2 taken common, x minus 8 equals to 0. So we have x plus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 8 equals to 0. So we have x equals to 2 minus 2 and 8. These two are the answers. So this is one of the methods. So why? And second method is using quadratic formula. What is that? So we do the same questions by using quadratic formula. So x square minus 6x plus 16 equals to 0. This was the equation. Okay.
Mm.
So here a equals to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. B equals to, what is B? Coefficient.
Negative 6x.
Yeah, negative 6. And C is 16.
16.
Okay. So first of all, what we do, we find discriminant. Discriminant is denoted by D. Discriminant is denoted by D, and D is B square negative 4AC. Okay? B square minus 4AC. So B is negative 6 square, negative 4, and A is 1, and C is 16. Okay, Asna? Are you getting? Yes, Asna, are you getting? Your mic is mute.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
I asked discriminant is D. D is B square minus 4AC. Basically, this discriminant tells us the nature of roots, nature of zeros, right? If D is greater than 0, then then we have two real and distinct distinct roots. Roots means zeros, right? If D equals to 0, then we have two equal roots. See, what I'm going to teach you, what I'm teaching you, that is something extra, right? Right? Maybe you will be studying in the advanced class in few months, in fact. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if D equals to 0, then we have two equal roots. And if D equals to D less than 0, then we have no real roots. Then we have no real roots. I think you have some problem, got headache or something.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Just a little tired, just a little bit.
Yeah, I understand because what's time there? I think around 9 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
9:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why
No,
I'm
no,
just
no, not 9:30. No, it's 8:40.
8:40. It's not too much time because generally, whether it be in India or it be in US or UK, everybody goes to bed after 11 o'clock, not before that. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, no, yeah, yeah. No, um, like, yeah. Sometimes I sleep early, but then sometimes I sleep late. But then
Yeah.
still, like sometimes around 3 p.m. I get really tired, and
Okay.
then 7, and then 8 I get tired, and then
That
after
understand.
that I only get tired when I go to sleep.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we are just going to finish it. I'm just going
Mm-hmm.
to give you just two
No,
methods. Yeah.
it's okay. Yeah.
So this is something which you are getting something extra, right? You haven't studied that
Mm-hmm.
now. So discriminant
No.
is something which gives us the idea of nature of roots, means what kind of zeros you are going to find. So discriminant gives us the nature of roots, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we see here, we have a equals to 1, b equals to negative 6, negative 6, and c equals to 16. Okay, so D is discriminant is B square minus 4AC is negative 6 square, negative 4, A is 1, and C is 16. So this is 36 minus 64. So are we was the same equation. It was negative 16 over here. It was negative 16. It was negative 16 over here. We did wrongly.
Oh, not. Oh, yeah, not 16, negative 16.
It was negative 16 over here. So if we take negative 16, so what we will get? We will get positive 64 over here.
Yeah.
So this is 100, right? So 100 is greater
Mm-hmm.
than 0. So
Yeah. So then you
we will
have.
have real roots, two distinct real roots, right? Now we can solve it. So quadratic formula says x equals to negative b plus minus root over discriminant. Discriminant is this one upon 2 times a. This is the direct formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation, zeros of the quadratic equation. Negative b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so
Mm,
this is negative b. B is what? Negative 6 plus minus root over 100. B square minus 4ac is 100 upon 2 times a. So this will be 6 plus minus 10 upon 2. So 6 plus minus 10 upon 2 will be 6 plus 10 upon 2, that is 8, and
6
6 minus,
minus
that is
will be negative 4.
negative 2. So these are the
4.
two answers.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, over 2.
So we got two answers over here also. What was the answer? Negative,
Negative 2 and 8.
negative 2 and 8. And here also we have negative 2 and 8. If you are getting tired, then in the next class, I'll make you understand the completing
Yeah,
square
I
method.
I understood some of it.
Yeah. Once again, in the next class, we will be doing the same thing, quadratic formula and the completing square method. I'll make you understand. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you too. And have a great day. Stay at
You
home.
too.
Stay at
Yeah,
home.
I'll ask my mom to send you pictures of the snow. It snowed so much.
Okay, okay. So, and keep your pace to do your work properly and stay ahead of others, right?
Mhm.
Because I want to see you on the at the top at the apex in your class. Okay, that is all I want. Okay, good, good, looking good, fine. Thank you. Bye.